honey buns, it's Demi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're just joining us now, welcome! So, today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to Ikea. I'm going to Ikea and I'm very excited. Come with me. Dun, 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 dun. So yeah, basically Sean is off work today and we just got back from Edinburgh yesterday and we were feeling like an Ikea trip, so we are gonna go. Basically there's some exciting things happening. I may be getting an office, which I'm really excited about. If I do, don't worry, I will like vlog it and obviously do an office tour and all that type of thing. But I wanted to go to Ikea just to get a gist and, like, you know, some inspiration for office decor. I don't think I'm gonna get anything today though, obviously, because I don't have like the measurements and stuff. So yeah, I think we're just gonna go for a look. But I thought I would bring you along with me because I know you like coming along to shops with us, and Ikea is one of them exciting shops, isn't it? You never quite know what's gonna happen. Also, I've actually had a sleepover at Ikea before. If you don't know, or if you are new to my channel, I actually got the opportunity to sleep over in Ikea earlier this year, and it was like the best experience ever. It was just like, oh, it was amazing. So I kind of like really love Ikea, and I'm very thankful for that experience. But yeah, I thought I would just bring you along with us, and we would go shopping in Ikea. I've heard they also do the meatballs, but a vegan version of them, which I'm quite intrigued to try, not gonna lie. I haven't been Ikea in literally the longest time, to be honest. So yeah, let's go. We've arrived at Ikea. Ta-da! Okay guys, so we are in Ikea now. We're just having a look around. Oh look, there's a nice little office space. I'm getting office inspiration. This is what Sean's after for his room. Some big cupboards. Look at it. All the decor. Little chair. Cute. Oh, look at him faffing on with them bloody cupboards. He's after them. Sean has got his meatballs there. The veggie ones aren't ready yet. It says they're probably going to be about 5 minutes, so we're going to get these with the coffee and then sit down, and then I'll go back up and get mine because he ordered his, so he's going to have to eat them so they don't get cold because he's bloody impatient. Sean's busy eating his food. So yeah, we came to the cafe first because we were both really hungry, but I'm just waiting for the veggie meatballs and then I'm going to go and get them. We've got a coffee each and then we're going to actually look around Ikea. So yeah. So this is the veggie balls. Like honestly, they've advertised them so different to what they are. They advertised them with the gravy and everything, and apparently you can't get the gravy because it's not vegan. It comes with double cream. The mash has got cow's butter in it, so you can only get like obviously chips with it with no sauce. Like they don't have a sauce, so the dry is, they literally just look shit. Like they actually do look shit. They've advertised them so different to like what they actually are. Oh, I'm not happy. Okay, so we have come back in the entrance for the second time because basically we went for food first, which is basically at the end of Ikea. Sean decided it's best to go out and come back in. That's what we're done. He's back looking at these bloody things. What, do you want them for your room? Like, do you think they're too thick? Like, I think they're too thick, mate. Like, with that, imagine that sticking out your wall. Go on, demonstrate them. How would you use them? Oh look, you can get little lights to put under them. Oh no, they've actually been put in properly on there. Are they? I like the prints that they do, they're nice and colourful. This print's nice. Look, someone's nicked all the keys out of the bloody laptop. Why would you do that? Oh look, they've wrecked it. I think it's just a fake one, like, but why would you do that? Oh look, this is a nice little work thing. I'm gonna get this for the office, Sean. How cute, I need this. Keeps us organised. Testing out the new sink. Oh look at him, his little cute puppy on. Oh yeah, electric stove. This is like a little mini flat, this one. You've got a living room, office, kitchen. You won't have a toilet like I like them lights. So, like with the office, I want it to be kind of like a homely vibe, but then have an office side as well. So like I'm looking at inspiration from like the offices within the rooms. Obviously it's not going to have a bed and that in it, but I want like a little homely side to it. I quite like this one. Make room for a good night's sleep for under £700. Look at Sean, he loves kitchens. This is actually so cozy. Look, with the Christmas tree. I really like the dark look of stuff at the minute, and the office that I think I'm going to be renting has got a dark wallpaper. So I think I wanted it to be white originally, but I'm kind of going to the dark. Get loads of prints on it, make it look really homely. Like, I'm really rubbish at interior design, so I'm probably just going to like pinch an Ikea bedroom and be like, do that. What are you thinking of this kitchen? It is actually really nice, isn't it? Got like the nice marble. I love it how they make it look like actual proper homes, like just a little detail into it. How much is this one? Complete kitchen, £5 grand. Extractor fan. What you done? You just shit yourself at that. You shit yourself. Oh, look at the little Christmas tree. I bet you this is sheepskin, which is sad. If it was fox, I'd really like that. Look at these. Like, oh my god, you have to be quite adventurous to go for one of these, I think. Like, I just like feel like could I don't know. I like that little lamp. It's actually really cute. I love, like, when I get the office, I want all of like the fake greenery because I think it looks really nice. Got the little Christmas tables all set up. We've just nearly went on the deck. Oh my god, I love this with the like Scrabble effect little boxes. Cute. Oh, there's a nice one, all navy and dark. I think it looks really cozy. Coming into the sofa. So I actually do want a little sofa in the office because the way that it's going to be. Yeah, I was actually just looking at that one. But I don't know if that's the type of one that I want. Sean's. Yeah, but I think it might come out too much for like the space that I want it in the office. Like, it has to be quite small, to be honest. I'm just looking at all the different sofas. Yeah, I don't want leather. But I do want like a colourful type of vibe. Yeah, they're really cute, but then it means if someone comes over, there's only one. Like, they're like, is that what my dad's used to have?
Aye.
Do you think it's cute for an office?
That's a little one.
Yeah. But do you not think that's quite cute? Because you could doll it up with all the cushions. Are you not a fan? That one's actually really little. Can two people fit on it? Like, we're trying. I actually really like it. This is cute. This is a good little two-seater, and then you could get loads of like different little cushions. I actually like that.
If you get that, then just get a single one of them. Like one of them.
Aye, but it needs to have a little living room space, a little space to film, and then an office space. It's not an apartment, you know. It just needs like little things. I seen that one online actually for £80, but you can get different covers for it. But I think I like this one better. This is like really cute. And then I would get like, if you got it in grey with the fro, could get all the different coloured cushions and like doll it up. Actually really like it. You get a free 10-year guarantee. What? Sean's looking at the cupboardness. They are quite cute, but I just think they stick out too much. Like, I just think it makes it look cluttered. There's another nice sofa here. Just quite a little basic room. This part over there with a little kitchen and stuff. We've got the white table. It's all grey themed inside. This one's fancy with a lime green, isn't it? I like that little rocking chair thing. It's very nice. Let's see, look at it. You like that flooring? I actually like this flooring. Oh, this is cute. Little kitchen area. Inspiration if I had a cafe. It's a little living room in here. You can go into.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah.
I really like all of the greenery. When I get the office, I want like fake plants and stuff because I'm terrible and I don't want to end up killing them by not being able to look after them properly, especially if I'm like going away and stuff. Obviously, I don't want to have to depend on people to come to the office to water them, so I'll probably end up getting fake ones, but I do actually really like them. And then you've got a more dark themed room with the black leather. I like that little red chair, actually that would go nice in the office. And then I really like that big light with the prints as well. It's good. But I really like some colourful cushions. I want to get it like all colourful and bright, because I think with an office space, because I'm getting like an office separate to the house, you want it to be somewhere that like when you go in you feel really inspired and motivated. So I want it to be all like bright and colourful and have lots of nice like quotes all around it and stuff. Because I think like with an office, it's got to be somewhere that like really inspires you every day when you go in. That's what I'm hoping for. Oh look, conceals all cables. You put them down there. But in another room, this one's very kiddie orientated. Oh my god, that would be like the stairs. Green sofa. Big puffy over there that you could pull out. All the curtains. Like I really like this leafy colour vibe. I think this is something that I would want. But obviously like, oh, I need that big sign. Good vibes only. You've got loads of prints. I actually really like that colourful cushion. I said to Sean I really like this, but it's like metal, so it wouldn't be very comfy. But it just looks good with the cushions and stuff. Why am I going to put that in the office? Are you a fan? Is that a good one? Let me test the other one. Pretty hard. Oh, actually the back is hard, isn't it? It's not the most comfy, this one, Huns. This is like a really traditional, I would say, homely looking office. Would you agree? Look at them lights. They would just be a bloody inconvenience, them. Wouldn't they? Imagine. Ugh, not a fan. I really do love prints in that at the minute though, but not like black and white. I want colour, for sure. Going into number 35, 1 bedroom flat. Yeah, it's our kitchen. Quite like this kitchen. It's white. Little dining area. Living room. Actually quite like the style of this flat too. It's like loads of pictures. Nice pop of colour with like the faint yellow. Someone's having a shit. Imagine if the toilets actually worked. You could just... You just had a shit like. Oh, I can smell it. Oh, there's the bathroom there as well. So we are nearly near the restaurant again. So actually in the office as well, I want a little dressing table so that I can still do makeup themed videos, because obviously I don't want to have to do all them in my room still. I kind of want it where I can film all my videos. But yeah, I need a mirror as well. I really like this one. But I will need a full standing one obviously for when I'm doing the outfits and stuff to check them. And now we are just kind of heading to the more stuff that you can like we're going past the restaurant where all the Christmassy stuff are. You can have a look. All red themed. Oh no, you've got some silver and gold there. My god bless, that's so cute. Look at them, Sean. They're actually so cute for gift bags. You can get all the different patterns, and you've got all the different wallpapers as well. I mean, wrapping papers. And boxes. How cute is this little lamb? It's actually like tiny, it's so cute. We've got some like really unique design. Oh look, here it is. Really unique design lamps. How much?
145.
145? I mean, it's probably the marble base. What? It's nuts like, isn't it? Look at these ones, some Halloween ones. £19. Oh, it's got nothing on it. This one's got Halloween on it. Happy Halloween. Bad. It is good. It's like the black matte one. Comes down. £45. I'm a fan. What? Oh, you just tripped over the step. Look at them open bulbs. Whoa, look at them. They're massive, like, aren't they? Look at that big thing. What? Got all the different ones. Oh, look at them coloured ones. They would be so cute in a kitchen. Wouldn't they? I'm going for ice cream. You were getting an ice cream? No, why? You're not on a diet. Demolish 10 bloody meatballs. Little food haul. I'm getting a iced tea and some gelatin-free jellies, and I'm going to get an ice cream as well. Sean bought one of these big crackers things. Okay, so I got the vegan ice cream. Not going to lie, I'm out my huff because it's really nice. It's like a really strawberry. It's kind of like a sorbet ice cream, but I like it, and Sean got the normal. What, car? Sean got the normal strawberry one. He's carrying all the goods. 50p as well. So cheap, the thing. You can actually get like the 50p veggie dog as well, but it literally just looks like the hot dog, the meatballs, where it's all veg. It doesn't look that nice, but yeah, it's nice. This ice cream is very nice. Thanks for watching my IKEA come shop with me. I hope you enjoy. If you liked it, thumbs it up, subscribe down below, and I will see you very shortly for another video. Bye!